Justin. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new mini Barbie Land figures. These new figures feature the new line of Barbie and Ken fashionistas. They do have a color change aspect to it, and we're going to be reviewing to see which ones we got. So if you notice on the back, again, like I said, these are the latest line of fashionistas, including Ken and Barbie. And these are made up to look like little nail polish bottles. So what I did is I got one of each main color. So we have our dark pink, our hot pink, our light pink. And then we have our dark purple. And then we have our light purple or lilac. So I'm actually just going ahead and start here. So now the interesting thing I do want to note, so you remember when these first came out, they had like codes on the bottom, and then later on, they took the codes away, and then there was some inside. So I do see codes inside now. I didn't notice that at first in the store. So I'm going to see which ones I get and share the code. And then hopefully that'll prevent us from getting doubles. So let's see. So this is the light purple. The code that I received on this one is 224HF. This is the totally air can version, which I think is really cool. And there he goes. So I'm putting him right there in the center. As always, they have the same little center torso, waist torso, flexibility, and they have a little heart stand to be interchangeable with the different mini Barbie Land sets. And then again, this is just a bottle, faux brush tip, and it looks like nail polish. So if you like little Barbie collectible stuff, this may be cool for you, but this is what I really wanted. So I'm happy about that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually put the figure next to the code. So if you want to screen cap that, hey, that one is for you. Go to the dark purple. And on this one, I got code 2124 HF. And let's see which one I got. So this is a very, very pretty Barbie fashionista. She's really cute. So I'm going to also line her up with the code so that you may see her. Light pink. And for this one, I got code 2134HF. And let's see which figure that was. Another cute fashionista. I'm going to put her by the code as well, so you can see that. More to go. So now we're going to do the hot pink one. It is code 2154 HF. is going to be 2241 HF. And this is the one we got for her. Okay, y'all, so I put everybody in order. So this is what I'm seeing. So we didn't get this first doll, but we did get her. And she is number 2124 HF. We did get the next doll, which is her. And her number is 2134 HF. And then we don't have the next doll. So could it possibly be that if we're going left to right sequence, that it's going up by the second sub number? So could the redhead, this first one, be 2114, because this one is 2124 and this one is 2134. Could it be? Possibly. So we'll see. And then we skipped over this one because we don't have that one. And then we have this doll, and her number is 2154. So if we're going by that logic, and there is one doll in between, that would make this one with the purple skirt, that would make her 2144. Because again, what we know, 2124 for the second one, 2134 for the third one. So this fifth one is 2154. So could that complete the series if this is 2144, which would also make sense if this is 2114. You guys do the math, they're going up by tens. Could that be the code? Who knows? So let me tell you the variable, because what we don't have next is this pink Barbie. We don't have the cowboy kin, but we do have the totally air kin, and his number is 2204. And then we don't have this doll, but we do have the last one. And so her number is 2224. So that would again mean they are going up by tens. If this is 04, 2204, and this is 2224, then this will be 2214, theoretically. So then, again, if this is going up by tens, most likely this is the start of the next sequence. So if we're going by the other numbers, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74. That's what I think that is. So let's test out this theory, and we may have a complete line. Okay, we're back. Let's see if we can decode some more. Because I love you guys, I will be showing you the code legend right